hot today. Very hot. Holy shit. And we got the scattered thunderstorms passing over the valley here in western Montana. Just getting off work. What the hell, let's go for it. Journey continues. Instead of going home. Some pretty damn heavy crosswinds going today, but that's okay. We do have to grab some gas though. Ourselves a full tank, let's rock. Okay, so the place I'm looking for, not sure if it's this parking lot or the one over, but let's take a ride through and find out. Let's see here. Well, if nothing else, you get a view of the Super One Foods in Stevensville. Let's see, H&R Block, Anytime Fitness, Anytime for a good time, All State, not just part of the state, All State Insurance, Guardian Health Centers, Trail West Bank, Customers with Masks, Afraid of Nothing. Sad to see in Montana. Casino. There you go. Cock-a-doodle-doo, huh? Advanced imaging, pediatric therapy, orthodontist, Radio Shack. Better move on with this. Nope. Not here either. Let's go down a little more. It's a nice thing about being on a bike. You can just take all these little shortcuts without having to get back on the highway. Although here I might be out of luck. Let's see. Yeah, let's go on the highway for this one. Conclude this one, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Live life, love it, ride, do whatever it is you do. Get out and do it. Catch you next time.